President Trump's budget bill hit a major setback Friday in the Republican-controlled House Budget Committee. 5 Republicans joined Democrats in voting against advancing the bill out of committee. Several conservatives walked out during the proceedings, trying to force a recess. The GOP holdouts say the bill doesn't go far enough to cut federal spending to rein in the deficit. The bill includes trillions of dollars in tax cuts with spending boosts for the U.S. military and border security.
Everything in Washington, D.C., you've got your lobbyists, you've got your special interests. It's money. I mean, I've had everybody call me. It's money. I get that. But it's money we don't have to spend. It's not that difficult.
Republican leaders plan to continue negotiations through the weekend.
And while that vote was happening in the House, Rhode Island Senator Sheldon Whitehouse and Jack Reed met with health care advocates in Providence.
Our Kate Wilkinson joins us now live in studio with their warnings about changes to Medicaid, which could have a significant effect on Rhode Islanders. Kate?
According to a report released today by health care advocates, 1 in 3 Rhode Islanders are insured by Medicaid. That's why organizers warn cutbacks could leave tens of thousands of Rhode Islanders without coverage. As debates continue on Capitol Hill over potential Medicaid changes, recipients at a news conference in Providence shared their stories and concerns about potentially losing coverage.
I had an MRI, and sure enough, a big cerebral tumor stood up.
Thank you for your support to save Medicaid.
According to the Medicaid Matters Rhode Island report released by healthcare advocates today, more than 360,000 Rhode Islanders were covered by Medicare in 2023.
It's a third of our population. It's half our kids. It's 2/3 of the seniors in nursing homes.
Seamus Durak is with the Rhode Island Parent Information Network, a nonprofit focused on healthcare access.
Medicaid is built on a federal and state partnership. And in 2023, $2.6 billion of the $3.9 billion in total Medicaid funding came from the federal government.
Republican leaders say these proposed measures were aimed at cutting down on waste, fraud, and abuse in the Medicaid system.
Baloney. 10.6 million people would lose Medicaid under the plan they rejected today.
Originally, Republican leaders in Congress had proposed a requirement to have Medicaid recipients between 19 and 64 prove twice a year that they're working or volunteering. Exceptions to that would include people with disabilities and eligible parents. Cliff Poplow from Cranston is a Medicaid recipient who was just diagnosed with lymphoma for the 2nd time. But he worries he won't be able to prove he has a job.
I'm self-employed. How exactly would that work? Should I write a letter to myself that I'm employed? Am I supposed to send a letter to my clients? Oh, please vouch that I'm actually working for you, because if you don't, I won't get my cancer treatment.
Healthcare advocates also note more than $20 million went to local education agencies across the state in 2023. Senators Reed and Whitehouse say they plan to continue fighting potential Medicaid cuts. Live in the studio, Kate Wilkinson, 12 News.